in this video, we will demonstrate how to configure BitLocker using Microsoft Intune. When enabling the BitLocker, we will ensure that all the data on the device is protected via full disk encryption and require additionally PIN authentication at startup. First of all, we will configure the BitLocker policy within the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, and finally, we will verify the BitLocker status on the end user device. So let's move towards the lab. From Microsoft Intune Admin Center, select Endpoint Security. Here, drop down under the Manage, select Disk Encryption, Create Policy. Here in Platform, we will select Windows. In the Profile, we will select the BitLocker and Create. In the name, I will type the IT Champion BitLocker. BitLocker policy. Select Next. Expand the BitLocker and for required device encryption, select Enabled and drop down, select Operating System. Enforce drive encryption type on operating system, select Enabled. So require additional authentication at startup, change it to the Enabled. And configure the minimum pin length for startup. As it is not configured, we will change it to the configured. The minimum character is 6. Drop down. Here for choose how BitLocker protected operating system drive can be recovered, change it to the Enabled. Do not enable BitLocker until recovery information is stored to the Active Directory for operating system. Change it to the true. Omit a recovery option from the BitLocker startup wizard. Also make it to the true. Save BitLocker recovery information to the Active Directory for operating system. Also make sure that should be true. Click Next. On the scope, click Next. In the Assignment tab, select all devices, or you can select the devices where you have moved the devices to that group. I have selected all the devices. Click Next and save. Policy has been successfully created. Now we will check and confirm in the encryption tab, disk encryption tab. Select disk encryption. As you can see that IT Champion BitLocker policy has been successfully created. Now we will move towards the client where we will verify and enable the BitLocker settings. So I have logged into the client. First of all, we will sync this device to the Intune. For that, we will open the settings. Here, select accounts and drop down. Select access work or school and select info. Here I will sync. It will the encryption notification has been pop up. Select that. If the notification did not appear, you can check it manually from notification. So here we will select I do not have any other disk encryption software installed. Select yes. Choose how to unlock your drive at startup. Select enter pin. You can enter your pin and you should remember that when you want to recover. Set this pin. I think it didn't match. I will re-enter the same. Choose how much of your disk to encrypt. Select encrypt, use disk space only. Select next. On the choose which encryption mode to use, select the new encryption mode best for fixed drive on this device. Select next. So are you ready to encrypt the drive? Run the BitLocker. Select continue. It need a restart, so select restart now. It need a BitLocker key after restarting, so we will enter that key which we have previously set. Key has been entered. Now it's booting. So I have logged in, and now we will verify that either BitLocker has been successfully implemented or not. Just open the Explorer this PC. As you can see, this log it shows that the BitLocker has been configured, but we will check in the manage BitLocker. For C drive, BitLocker is on. You can also change the pin from here, and you can also back up the key. You can send it to your Entra ID, or you can save it to the save, or save it to the file, or you can print. That's it for this video.